In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an object transparent using the material properties in Blender. Understanding how to manipulate transparency can give your creations a whole new depth, offering insights into creating realistic glass, water, or any translucent effect you might envision. So let's dive right into it and explore how you can achieve this effect. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the object that you intend to make transparent. You can do this easily in your 3D viewport by simply right-clicking on the object. Once your object is selected, you should head over to the Material Properties tab, located in the Properties editor. This tab is symbolized by a sphere icon, and it provides access to various material settings for the selected object. If your object doesn't have a material assigned yet, you'll need to create one. This is as simple as clicking the plus new button you see there, which will automatically apply a basic material to your object. Having set up the material, you'll want to scroll down within the same tab until you reach the section titled Viewport Display. It's here that you can tweak how your material will look in the viewport without changing the render settings. It's particularly helpful when you want a quick preview of the transparency effect while working or just organizing your project visually. Now, directing our attention to the Viewport Display section, you'll notice a color swatch. Clicking on this swatch will bring up a color picker. This tool is multifaceted, but for our focus on transparency, we'll be concentrating on one specific feature. Inside the color picker, you should see an A slider, which stands for alpha. Think of this slider as the magic wand for transparency. Alpha essentially controls how opaque or transparent your material is. By default, the alpha value is set at 1, meaning the object is fully opaque. If you drag this slider to the left, you decrease the alpha value, thereby increasing transparency. As you play with this slider, you'll notice your object start to reveal the backdrop behind it in real time within your viewport. Setting this slider to 0 will make the object entirely transparent, practically invisible to the eye. A useful tip here is to experiment with different alpha values to see how varying levels of transparency can impact your overall design aesthetic. This technique can be utilized for creating anything from sheer fabric elements to convincingly clear glass or even subtle atmospheric effects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've turned a solid object into a transparent one, opening up a whole range of possibilities for your design work. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Blender. Keep experimenting and let your creativity shine.